Do you know tomatoes are not only grown from seeds but also from actual tomatoes? Today in this video we will learn how we can grow tomatoes from tomato slices. It's very easy, fast and perfect for beginner gardeners. If you want to indulge your kids in gardening, then this is a perfect way. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shivangi from Gardenwise. If you want to enjoy some more gardening videos, then please subscribe my channel and do follow me on Instagram. To grow tomato from slices, you need one big overripe tomato.
First of all, we will make potting mix for these seeds. Here, I am using 60% coco peat and 40% vermicompost. Potting mix should be soft and well drained so that seeds can easily come out of it. Let's mix them well. Choose a large, ripe tomato. Now cut slices about ½ inch thick. Here I have chosen overripe tomatoes because in overripe tomatoes seeds are matured. Here I am using small seedling pots to start my seeds. Now fill your pots with potting mix and moist your soil first before putting tomatoes. Now place your slice of tomatoes on top of potting mix. Now cover the tomato slice with about an inch of soil and pat down. Now again moist the soil. Now cover your container with plastic wrap or poly bag for warmth and moisture. Now keep it in shade. After 7 days, you should see your tomatoes start to sprout. At this stage, remove your plastic wrap. At this stage, it means after sprouting, tomatoes rest for 10 days. As you can see, now small show leaves are coming. It's been 21 days, but it is not ready for transplanting. Now, as you can see, my tomato saplings are mature enough to transplant. Stems are thick now. Now, it's time to final transplanting, and here I am using 12-inch grow bag. Here, for potting mix, I have taken 25% vermicompost with same amount of garden soil, that is 25% garden soil, with 25% sand, and again in 25% of coco peat. I have taken 4 in same ratio. Now mix them together and it will create a nice potting mix which is well drained. Now, remove saplings very gently without damaging any roots. As you can see, this sapling is really healthy, so I am going to transplant it, and after transplanting, place it in shade at least for 1 week. Fertilize twice a month while seedlings are growing. Water them twice a week and be careful not to water on leaves. Place some flowering plant to invite pollinators. You can also hand pollinate your tomato plant.
That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. And before signing off, I would like to remind you to like this video and comment down below what you want to see next. Until then, happy gardening. Bye bye.